Hello everyone, this is Noor welcoming you all to my channel Likely Noor. I carry 6 plus years of corporate experience, and in this channel I talk about IT news and updates, job and interview tips, life and lifestyle lessons. So if you are interested in any of these, then consider subscribing to my channel. Today we are going to discuss some of the top job websites for developers and programmers. So stay tuned on this video and watch this video till the end and smash that like button if you like watching me speak. In my last video, I have covered top 5 job portals along with their salient features. They are no doubt the best platform and the largest used platform in terms of reach and user base. However, sometimes it becomes a little hectic and overwhelming to narrow down your search from such vast database if you are looking for something very specific. Hence, this video is for you if you are specifically looking for a core technical job for programmers or developers. So alright, let's get started. The first one is Dice. It is like an Indeed.com for tech jobs. It has a huge variety of engineering and software developers job. Apart from their core focus on the software development jobs, they also have listings for product managers, database engineers and networking engineers. So if you are looking for a core engineering job, you can check this out. It covers all the aspect of core technical and engineering jobs. Second is Hirist, a job portal for the tech geeks who are interested in Java, Python, Ruby, as well as emerging technologies like blockchain, augmented reality, virtual reality, IoT and cryptocurrency. Hirist has a rich job listings around these technologies and profiles. So if you are interested in any of these profiles, you can check it out. Third is Crunchboard. After GitHub, the most famous blog for tech blog post is TechCrunch, and Crunchboard is their job board. It was started basically as a blog for all the tech related information, and later a job board was added to it. You can find really good quality job listings on the Crunchboard. Fourth is the Tech Careers. Tech Careers also offers a huge variety of job for all kinds of engineering field, but the best part of this portal is that it directly takes you to the company's portal or the company's website and the career page where you can apply the job in the company's career page. The benefit of this process is that if a job has expired, then you will no longer have to waste your time applying for it, which happens in most of the job portal. It is not updated. Even if the position is closed, it is not updated in the portal and you end up wasting your time for something which is already closed. Hence, the listing on the Tech Careers is the most updated ones, and it saves your time and energy by removing all the closed positions. Fifth is TripleByte. TripleByte offers a different take on job hunting as software developers. According to their homepage, it says they are engineers too. Rather than dropping you into a massive searchable job board right away, they ask you to register and then they help you with number 1, showcase your skill even if you do not have a formal credential. Second, tell you exactly what your hiring manager is doing with your application, and also tells you the probability if you will get a response from the employer or not basis your application. And the third is provide engineering specific job filters that go beyond location and job title. As long as you are open to invest your time and create your account, this is a great platform to hunt for a core technical job. That's it for today. Hope you all got some new information. I'll put the link of all these websites in the description box so that it is easier for you all to find everything at one place. I hope this video was informative. If yes, then smash that like button so that it helps the video reach to a larger audience and it could be helpful for them too. You can share this video with the relevant audience and job seekers, and consider subscribing to my channel if you find my content useful. Thank you so much for watching me. I will see you all in my next video. Until then, good luck and stay tuned.